Hey, Jeff Kelderman here at Kelderman Trucks. We got this bitch in chrome and black Ram we just finished up. 3500 limited. This truck's headed to New Jersey. We start at the front here. We did our Alpha Series bumper. We did our Commander light bar, Grille Guard. And as you can see, it's all chromed out. We got a chrome mesh. Got chrome fair lead hook on our Winch 16.5 winch. So what's cool about our bumpers is we run a 5/16 plate clear across here, connects the whole front center section in. So if this guy is getting serious, really pulling some stuff, having to use a snatch pulley, to double your ability to pull up to 33,000 pounds with this winch, this bumper is made to work. So as you can see, we carry we got our chrome monster hooks, and you come around here, we got our ridges in the wings. So for the suspension package, we got our 3-inch Kelderman front on this one. We got our Raptor tuned shocks. The ride on this truck is amazing. The shocks are tuned perfect with the air suspension. As you can see, we've got our sensor here for our Airlift 3H control system. We've got our Kelderman radius arms with the chrome package, chrome badges. For wheel and tire combination, we're running American Force. We got some matte black 22s. We're running 35-inch Toyo AT3s. The 3-inch rear consists of our 4-link suspension. We've got our own sway bar. Again, Raptor tuned shocks on the rear. It's a really durable setup here. This is, 3500s are able to carry, only within 100 or 200 pounds of a Ford F450. So we've got side plates on the frame. This kit's really been engineered to haul extremely heavy loads. So as you can see, we have a black MBRP exhaust. We carry these in stock, so if you're a Ram owner and want that black exhaust, you can order it from us. Come around to the back, you've got the Alpha Series bumper, chrome tow hooks. Just fits the theme perfect. So this gentleman's got a big toy hauler, haul his toys around out on the East Coast. It's gonna be hard to miss this guy going down the road.